Here from here you start the Outlook, and yesterday I have told you about the file menu in which I can open new, open, old, make folder, data file management, which you can able only when the data is there, and then edit menu. In edit menu is not so much cut, paste, copy. Then view menu in navigation pane you can set minimize, or you can set a normal view. In normal view you will get all the directories: mail, calendar, contact, task, note, folder list, and shortcut. Here I have already told you calendar and contact. Today I will tell you how to make a task. Click the task and press the new. It will give you a form where you have to take the task, create Corona project, and send me on my mail. In PowerPoint, which I have already told you, but nobody sent me. So kindly send it up till 20th. I will give a marks on it. It's stated no start. Nobody has started, and start date is 14, and start date is 14, and last date is 20th, and my mail is these two mails are there, for which on which you can send the email to me. And remember, this is very essential to make it and send me, because I will give a marks on it and categorize it. You can categorize it. You can see the detail of task, but you have not completed, so I can't mark it. Then give the category. This is red category. I'm going to give it red category, means high priority to send me a project. Now save this. You will get the task. This is the create Corona project in PowerPoint, I have told you. Now make it notes. Say new. Make note from my video which I have sent you for your benefit. That's all. So it will come here. Then folder list. You can make a folder list. And shortcut, you can make shortcut also. Then now see, the edit menu will increase. Here you can cut, copy, delete, move to folder, and here also category is also coming. Suppose the task you are giving yellow color, and then view, current view, note list last 7 days, navigation pen, normal I have taken, to do bar, normal, and reading pen, want to reading pen in bottom or off or right, large icon, it will make a large, then small icon, it will make it a small, view, then list, then it will list it. Reminder window will remind you that date is over, now do the work. Toolbar is standard, advanced, and the website one. Here you can go to the internet. Status bar, then go mail. Want to mail, then go to the mail, and inbox. See if anywhere, search all mail item. You can create your new mail. Here you write that I am sending you. Here you can write the sender's name, then subject on which topic you are going to give the mail, and then here write the mail and send to the sender. Then go to the calendar which I have made. Calendar, this is the calendar. Here you can share your calendar, but still for you need the internet. Search calendar online, publish my calendar, add a new. Look at here that it is started, and then and this is my calendar. This is day wise, month, week wise, and month wise, which I told you yesterday. Then general entry. General entry is the entry which you do the daily basis and store the information. I will tell you one more. New subject, quick watch on video and make note. Every day I can send this information to you, but there is no use if you won't make the notes. Duration every day at least give 10 minutes. You can do lot of things. Then my company name, okay student. So save it. This way you can make a general also, and then go to all these things are finished. You can send arrange the meeting also. For that you need an appointment, and I have said two names because I have only two email address here over here, and give the subject discussion on corona, from which time, that 11:30 to 12 p.m. Please bring your project in pen drive and show me your project at my place. So this way you can set the meeting also. Then now save it and close it. Here you get the appointment. When you go from this place, then only you can make a meeting where I just now come out. And types of form for all meetings, task, note, this way, and one is left is note, which I have already made. So I have covered all the topics in Outlook. So today I am closing it. Please read the video.